What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video in a little bit less quality, so forgive me for this one or whatever. I'm just using a little MacBook cam or whatever real quick. Wanted to make a really quick video to let y'all know why I don't rock with Podio. This is another one of my is it worth it videos, okay? But in this video, basically, the question is Podio worth it? I know that like literally half of the REI community seems to use Podio, but my question is why? And I want to talk about it in this video. I'm not going to hold y'all for too long. Let's kind of just dive right on into it. I'm just going to give y'all my general thoughts and opinions when it comes to Podio and whatnot. Like, it's really weird to me. So like when you come to Podio, it's just strange, y'all. Like, it just seems very outdated. I just recently added like this new little app onto it or whatever, so I've got some little tabs up here like marketing, campaign opportunities, leads, docs, and assets. That's kind of cool. However, like when you first get here, all you got is this activities tab. It's basically nothing here when you first get to Podio. It's just basically nothing. It's just a blank app. It's like, okay, well, what the hell do I do, you know? So basically, like, that's what I don't like about it. Like, it's really bare, and you kind of have to figure it out. I mean, like, when you start clicking on things on the top of the screen, it's just taking you to different things. You don't really know what's going to happen. I just don't like it. To me personally, I personally believe that, or it seems to me, it feels like Podio was built in like the late 1990s, early 2000s, and they just refuse to actually try to like spend some of that money that everyone's spending inside of Podio on actually improving the software. So to me, that's kind of annoying. The reason why I like to spend my money with companies like PropStream and REI Reply is because I see them actively using my dollars to improve the service that they have for me. So don't get me wrong, you can get up in Podio and really get kind of customized and make it look kind of beautiful compared to what I'm looking at right here. Like, this stuff looks trash. I like to use services like Asana. That's another service that I use, or you can check out Agile CRM. Those are like a couple alternatives if you were looking for something else outside of Podio. I know that most people in the real estate investing space are going to be recommending that you use Podio. However, I guess my biggest gripe with Podio is that right off the rip, it's basically just trash. You have to add these apps to actually make it worthwhile. So when you come over here to this app market, then you can come down to real estate and property. And this is what I added right here. Excuse me, this REI Quick Start. Now, but look how many pages they have. Just pages and pages and pages and pages and pages of these different REI or real estate, different apps that you can add on or whatever. And it's just too much. It's like you don't really know exactly what you should be getting. I mean, I can go to most popular and I can kind of see, like what I should be adding on. It's got like a cash buyers thing. It's just so many different things that you're not really sure what you should be adding. Basically, when you get started with Podio, you're going to have to watch like 15, 20 different YouTube videos to figure out like what's the best app to install. Maybe I need to hire somebody to install this stuff for me. Then at that point, once you've got everything installed, now you're going to need to create connections between the apps that you're using with like another app like a Zapier or something like that. You're going to have to connect everything together. It's just kind of, to me, it's kind of counterproductive to have to do all of this extra stuff versus having something that works out the box. Like Asana or Agile, it literally works out the box. I don't have to go do a whole bunch of extra stuff. I've got everything that I need right there. And it also integrates with other apps like Zapier. Okay, so it just makes the process a lot easier. Ain't nobody got time to be like trying to figure out like how to actually use this stuff basically, and it just looks so old. Like the user interface is trash. Look, they're literally look. I don't even know what this is. Aria. I don't know. What is this? Is this like what is this? Is this like an advertisement? Like, what is this supposed to be? See, this is bizarre. You see, this is like the stupid stuff that I don't like. I'm not a fan. Yeah, I don't get why that's even there. So I can't even do anything with that. See if I add this tile. Let's see what type of stuff can I add on here. Let's see, apps. Opportunities. Okay, so I can add some stuff right here. So I can have opportunities right here. I can add some other stuff. So, I mean, I guess I can kind of customize it and get into it and stuff like that. But honestly, guys, I've just never been a fan. I wanted to make this quick video to just let y'all know that, like, I hear literally half of the real estate investing market talking about, yeah, get inside of Podio. Podio this, Podio that. To me, Podio is super trash. Like, this is the worst app that everyone seems to talk about inside of the REI space or whatever. It's kind of strange to me. Like, if I'm wrong, if I'm way off, please let me know. Drop a comment down below. We can definitely chat about it. Let me know, like, are you using Podio? Do you hear a ton of people talking about using Podio? Do you really see the value in it? Because I mean, I just personally don't. I'd rather just have something that's ready to go out the box versus having to spend hours and hours actually trying to get this system to look decent. Don't get me wrong. I don't pay for Podio. I mean, so that is a nice little plus. I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm definitely not paying for Podio. So I think it's free, like, totally. I don't even know if they even have paid for accounts. Now I'm thinking about it. I don't think that I have a paid for account on here. Yeah, I don't think that I actually pay for Podio, but apparently I have it. I mean, like, I've had it for a very, very long time, but I've never actually paid Podio for anything. So maybe I need to upgrade and get like some more, you know, some more customizable type stuff or whatever. But I haven't ever tried to do anything in here that it told me that I needed to pay for either. So yeah, man, I'm really curious to hear what you all think about Podio. Do y'all like it as a service? Is this something that you actually use in your REI business? Let me know. Drop a comment down below, man. And if y'all want to see other videos where I'm kind of going into the specifics about some of these other services, are these services worth it or not? I definitely have an entire playlist on my channel. I'm going to link it at the end of this video. Make sure that you check it out. Drop me a comment down below. Let's have a conversation, man. Like I said, the company that I use for my CRM system is Agile CRM, and I also use another system called Asana. So Agile is more of like a CRM system where basically I consider that like a database. I have all of my sellers, buyers, you know, JV partners, realtors, anything and everything is going to be inside of Agile CRM. And then I leverage Asana, and I use Slack. Just recently I started using Slack, but I use Asana to actually be my project management software. So it's like here are my tasks, here are the things that I need to get done. If I need to assign a task to a VA or an acquisition manager, I can do that right there inside of Asana. So I'm probably going to link those other two sites that I just mentioned down below. Definitely check those out. And yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all here for too long though, man. Definitely check out that playlist. Check out my Is It Worth It playlist down below by clicking this playlist right here. And until next time, y'all.